Good beautiful morning, guys. Brewix here. Today we're gonna do another mod in the SX4. As you guys can tell, if you own an SX4 or if you own a car that doesn't have a center console, well, maybe you might be interested in this. About a universal center console, red stitching. I mean, black leather with red stitching, just like I'm going with my shifter knob and my shift boot to match. But yeah. I bought this to install it. First step is going to be to put the little plastic on top of this. So this plastic thing is going to fit in that. So let's get on screwing on top. Alright, so the next step is going to be to, you can drill it in, but I don't really see why to drill it in. So I'm just going to push it all the way in. This is what I go to the gym for, you know? Alright, let me show you. Now that it's all the way in, so you can see I pushed it all the way in. Let me go show you guys the back. All the way in. Pretty sure I can go down a little more. Let me see if we can go down. We got it down firmly. You didn't have to drill it or nothing in, so you can next time pull it up. So if you want to remove it, you just pull it up easy. All right. So next comes the center console, which comes in with a an ashtray and a cup holder, as you can see. I mean, if I'm honest, it feels kind of a little cheap, man. It feels like a little plastic cheap. With it. Oh shoot! All right, for this, I have to remove the e-brake real quick. My car's starting to slide down, but. Okay, there we go. E-brake's on. If I'm honest with you, it feels a little bit high. Like, see how high it is? I mean, it feels alright. See, you guys see right there. It doesn't feel that bad. It is a little wiggly though. Isn't it weird to lock this thing? You can move it, like you can move it up, and then bring it back. It does feel like really wiggly because the plastic is like, this plastic is just like so cheap, man. Hey, but it will do though. Like, I like it. Looks good and feels good. So this is how it looks from here. Center console, you can put in your stuff in here, and you got a little tray in here. I can store some stuff. This slides out like this. I don't really like this feature really, because I feel like you're chilling and then you slide it for no reason. Let me show you from the back. Looks kind of awkward though, for real. Looks awkward. But I mean, this doesn't move that much from the back here. But yeah, if you were to sit in the back, you can put in like, find a bottle. Here you go. Put in like a water bottle or something. It doesn't look that awkward from here. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Just a little quick installation of a center console. I think it's way better than not having a center console. Okay, get out of here. Oh shoot, look at the snow, it's so hard. Alright, let me get it. This is how it looks from the passenger side. They actually use some hardware. I don't think you need this little plastic thingy. And just throw it in there. Yeah, that's how it looks. I wish you didn't have this massive thing, dude. I wish you could like bring it down a level. I feel like it sits a little too high. What do you guys think? And then it's gonna match the red leather stitching, and then the red shift knob. So it's coming together a little nice. Alright, you know what you guys think about this mod? I'm gonna end it here, guys. Hopefully if you guys own a Suzuki or a car that's the same as that, it helps out a little bit. But I'll probably give it like a 7 out of 10. Just because it sits a little too high, and then the wiggliness. But I know it's just plastic stuff in here. Alright, that's gonna do it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Thank you. I'm gonna store you guys here, actually. Before I end the video, look how dirty the car is. Look how dirty, look at the rallier, dude. Look at this. Look at the icicles. It's like frozen onto the ground. Shoot, I broke it. That scared me, actually. Dang, that's hard, dude. Oh, shoot. Dang, that's hard in there, dude. Look at this. And then it goes all the way over there. Alright, I gotta go. It's freaking cold.